What on earth is this? Looks like we'll have to improve the process.
With the miniaturization of products, standard production technologies are reaching their limits. The smallest of components can quickly become like raw eggs. For years, the company Optik-Elektro in Mühlacker has been manufacturing highly complex mechanical components for aerospace, the fluid sector, and for mechanical engineering too. Among these are many tight-fitting parts which can also seal metal on metal. With a finish roughness of under 1 micrometer, the smallest scratch during the cleaning process can lead to rejects.
The reason was that when removing the parts from the machine, the parts sometimes touched each other, causing scratches and damage. As a consequence, we had a very high reject rate, which can be over 30 to 40%.
That's why we decided to develop a process whereby we handle the individual parts, sort of like raw eggs. During an individual treatment, each individual part travels from the tool machine to the cleaning station and, if necessary, to the inspection station and finally to the packing station, where it is placed safely for dispatch.
The cooperation between Optik-Elektro and Steinbeis Transfer Center Production and Organization in Pforzheim started in 2017. The project, sponsored by BMBF, achieved excellent results very quickly. The whole cleaning process was engineered, automated, and optimized in many trials.
The biggest advantage is that we remove the parts directly from the machine. We of course save the time between handling and cleaning too. That means we also stay well below the production time for the parts and therefore save a lot on costs.
With this new process, there is now a reject rate of under 1% only. Thanks to this optimization, the system will be economically attractive for other companies.
In the present project, we have developed a prototype, but we will certainly continue to work closely together in this phase of testing, optimization, and devising marketing concepts.
For the future, we are planning to promote marketing after the test phase and will then sell the automation boxes too.
No doubt, raw eggs will continue to remain fragile, but thanks to our development, we can say one thing for sure.
Quality has to be generated through the optimization of production processes during production itself.